How to enable smart activation for focus mode on your iPhone. Smart activation uses on-device intelligence to automatically turn on a focus mode based on factors like your location, the time of day, and how you use your iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode you'd like to automate, such as work, personal, sleep, or a custom focus mode. Scroll down and tap Smart Activation. Now, turn on the Smart Activation toggle. Your iPhone will automatically suggest and activate this focus mode when it detects appropriate conditions based on your daily routine. Once you've enabled Smart Activation, simply go back. Your settings are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Smart Activation for focus mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.